Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install JioTV app in Amazon Fire Stick. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What you need to know is JioTV is not officially available on Fire TV, so it must be side-loaded. This is common and works, but you'll need a Jio account, an Android JioTV APK, a mouse app. JioTV is .based. In order to install JioTV on Amazon Fire Stick, what you need to do is enable apps from under resources. So to do it, simply head over and open up your settings on your Fire TV home screen by selecting the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen, then select My Fire TV. Then inside My Fire TV options, choose developer options. Then simply turn on apps from sources on. On your models, you will also find install on apps, then downloader, and then simply select allow. The next step is to install downloader app from the App Store. So simply head over to the App Store on your Fire TV, then search for the downloader application. Then once done, install and open it and allow permissions when asked. The next step is to install a mouse app. JioTV needs JioTV APK. In downloader, enter a trusted APK source URL for JioTV Android TV or mobile. Then select download or tap on go on the bottom, and when prompted, simply choose install, and after install, tap on done. Then delete the APK file, which is optional and saves spaces. The next step is to install a mouse app, which is very important. JioTV needs touch controls. In downloader, download mouse toggle for Fire TV, then install it, and enable mouse toggle in by simply heading over to the settings, then selecting applications, then select manage install apps, then double press play or pause to activate the mouse. The next step is to open and sign in. Simply go to your apps and channels, then open JioTV, then sign in with your Jio number and verify with OTP, and you can now start watching live TV. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.